Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only use one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, sometimes even like 10 accounts. But we're only going to be using one account because I'm showing you guys this works. You stepping your foot in. I'm going to show you what you do with minimal effort. You know what I mean? This is absolutely the easiest way to make money online. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in particular, and that's because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring commissions. What that means is that you get paid every single month for each sale you get into the system. You get paid every single month 80% of the commissions that you sell, and that is the highest program I have ever heard. That is a dream come true. Like, it's so good. So anyway, guys, let's just look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page here, show real results. Make sure you guys understand that they're real results. I ain't trying to trick nobody. Here we go. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal. Happens sometimes. That's just how the cookie crumbles when it comes to affiliate marketing. But anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, this is what you need to do. First off, we need to get you your affiliate link here. Got to get you to this page. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to my video. You're on my video right now. You just go down to here to the description. You'll see my links here. Step 1, join the $25 all-in-one business, right? You click on this. Once you click on this, it's going to take you to this page here, right? This page essentially just talks about the $25 business, how much money you can make, all that good stuff, right? That's basically what this page is all about. All about talking about how much money you can make and all that. So you just click on, yeah, I want access, right? And it's going to take you to this page, right? You just put in your basic information, billing, all that good stuff, and get the system here. I recommend clicking on this as well. And you can buy the product and boom, you got it. Now let's talk about this right here. This is HBA Premium. This is just training on how to get sales with the system and so on and so forth in a bunch of different ways. Facebook group, YouTube, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn solo ads, whatever it is you want to try to, get sales with. It's got training on it here. Now here's the thing, it's $125 per month, guys, but you get it for 2 weeks for free when you click on my link. But here's the reason why, this is the main reason why you want this product, is because you need to own the product in order to get a sale from it, so to speak. So for example, if you were to come through here, don't get that product, buy the $25 business, right? And then you get a person in the a person in the system, right? And they decide they do want this as well, and a $25 business. Now you will get $20 for the $25 here, but you would not receive the $100 from the $125, guys. So you can really scale this very quickly and easily. All right, so that's all there is to that. So this is what we're gonna do. Once you purchase your product or whatever you purchased, $25 business, you get into it, right? It's gonna take you to a page or something like this. Just sign in. It'll tell you make an account and all that good stuff. And you sign in, boom, boom. You'll get to this page here. Get to this page here. What you want to do is click on the affiliate zone. I'm already on there, but click on affiliate zone when you get to this page. And you just scroll down. By the way, videos explaining all of this. I'm just giving you a fast version of it. All right, so then you just sign up for the affiliate program here, and when you click on that, you see the basic information you have to put in. It's very basic information, very easy. And once you do that, you log into the SAM card, and that's going to take you to this page here. All right, so and now you're here, and now you can get your link. All right, this is going to be your link here, all-in-one $25 business sale letter. This is your link. All right, guys, that's the one you want to use. That's the one I've been using. Anyway, you come in. Oh, I meant to say step 2, guys. Now that you got your affiliate link, you need to do step 2, which is join the My Lead Gen Secrets here, guys. All right, so once you click on this link here for My Lead Gen Secrets, it's gonna take you to this page. What this is gonna do, this is a video just explaining what My Lead Gen Secrets is, but TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you can mail once a day. All right, so today you'll have 100 leads, tomorrow you'll have 200 leads you can mail, the next day, so on and so forth. You see what I'm saying? And all of these leads are very interested in making money online, which is perfect for the product we're promoting. So you just go ahead and make your own account here, log in, do your thing. Right, we log in, do our thing here, and we send our email. Okay, so we in the system. Now we gotta send our email. All right, click on mailing system here. We're gonna click on select all. All right, guys. Select all our leads here. We're gonna click on, we're gonna use this one. So this is just this is the email that we're gonna use. You could copy this as well, by the way. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me let you guys be able to copy it. Just pause the video and copy the email here. All right, so I'm just gonna show you the whole email so you can copy it if you want to. All right, pause, copy that. All right, guys, pause, copy that. All right, pause, copy that. That's the whole email there. Now you put your link right here. Get in the system today. You just click on this right here. They'll put your link there. All right, so we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna do send an email around time people check the emails. And make sure you preview your link and make sure your link works. That's the main reason. You want to make sure they're able to get to the page here. All right, so they can. I just checked, and we're gonna send an email, and we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy. Absolute laziest way to make money online, guys. So, guys, like I stated before, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you are subscribed. Please subscribe, help me out, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.